This video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of the pop-ups by the site News-humozo.cc. Now, News-humozo.cc is a misleading and very deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This would hijack your browser, and you may start experiencing a lot of pop-ups that will try to display a lot of malicious content before your eyes. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should fix your browser to stop these ads from attacking your screen. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Now in Permissions, select Notifications. Research the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-humozo, you should remove it from the list. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider researching the system with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.